Content preview: workers at Canadian aerospace and transportation manufacturer Bombardier staged a protest on 20 September, targeted not at their employer, but in support of it. Employees represented by the UNIFER union stopped work at Bombardier's Toronto facility in order to voice their opposition to Boeing's pursuit of multiple investigations into the sale of Xuri's narrow-body passenger aircraft to the United States. Boeing has claimed that the aircraft have been sold below market value and accused Bombardier of benefiting from illegal and unfair business practices. The company has pursued complaints against Bombardier through both the U.S. Department of Commerce and the U.S. International Trade Commission, which, if successful, could see penalizing duties imposed. Want to read more? For analysis on this article and access to all our inside content, please inquire about our subscription options. ace.com. Contact 134 of 269 words.